Your one and only Binibining Pilipinas International 2022. Bakit hindi niyo po palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang Binibining Nicole Borromeo?
My name is Jedi Boya, allowing to stand by the name. A woman who has a big mouth sa larangan ng showtime. Sabay-sabay nating bigkasin si Binibining Ann Cortez.
A gorgeous evening to each and everyone. This is Venus Kyle. But tonight, judges, please allow me to stand by the name. Your Miss Universe 2010. Your fourth runner-up. No other than Miss Maria Venus. Maria Venus, proudly and dignified to represent my beloved hometown, Barangay Astoria.
Let me stand by the name of the girl that captures the heart of Mr. J.M. Divisman. Ang babaeng nakikita niyo araw man o gabi. Si Binibining Miss Barbie Imperial. Sorry pero po, nag-iiwan na talagang hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Katulad mo, masarap ka nga pero hindi kami mahal.
Allow me to stand by the name, one of the most beautiful face in showbiz. Ito po ang iyong lingkod, si Binibining Liza Sigera. Joke. Once again, ito po ang iyong lingkod, Binibining Liza Soberano. Liza Soberano is 20 years old, 20 years ago.